Meet the all-new Creator backpack from Solgaard. It's an ultralight backpack with customizable compartments, tons of storage, and room for all your tech and camera gear. It was designed with the help of creator input to build a backpack suited for photographers and videographers like me. I was on the lookout for a backpack that I could put all my tech and camera gear and go on like a 2-day shoot with, and Solgaard actually reached out and told me about this new backpack, and I was like, yeah, I want to check it out. So they are sponsoring today's video. I'm going to be unpacking it for you and showing you why any photographer, cinematographer, or content creator could really benefit from using this backpack. So let's unpack this thing. The Creator backpack's material is one of its standout features. It's made with Shortex, which is upcycled ocean plastic. This takes about 5 pounds of plastic out of the ocean, and it's water repellent. At first glance, what I love about this backpack is that when you set it down, it just stands up. I was so surprised by how light it is. It is 3 pounds, and it is incredibly light. Not right now because I put a bunch of stuff in there, but very light backpack. It's also got great foam padding on the back that creates a great amount of breathability on your spine, which is super important. So first of all, it does have a spot for my laptop to go. I have the 16-inch MacBook Pro and it fits perfectly in there. It's also got a really comfortable material back here. That's just fun to like touch for hours. Then on top, we've got a compartment, and there is a lot of space in here. Up top, I put my hard drives, my SSDs. I can fit 2 of them. And then I've got the cables, and yep, they've got my face on them because that way I know they're mine. There is a lot of room in this top compartment. I'm not even filling it up. What you can do is if you're going on a 2-day shoot and you need a change of clothes, this could easily pack like a couple shirts, a pair of shorts, and some underwear and socks. Now, for the most important part about this backpack is the compartments for the cameras. So if I open this up, you'll see that I've got my camera. Well, it's actually not my camera, it's Stefan's. My camera is being used to film this. And then a camera lens. And then there are these side pockets. There's one big one here. And then inside here, there are spaces for SD cards. So they're pretty tight, so they'll stay in there. And I really love all of the storage components of this backpack. There are so many little places that I can be like, okay, that's where my SD cards are. That's where my Osmo Pocket is. Next, on this side, I've got my whole SD card holder, and then more slots for the SDs. The backpack comes with these dividers that have Velcro so that you can take them out and then replace them however you want. Whatever compartments you want to create that work best with your gear. Some other cool features about this is you've got some secret hidden pockets on either strap. There's pockets on the sides. That's really great for like a wallet or your cash. And then, this is the best part. These are really hidden pockets. There are pockets on both sides of these that will hold whatever you need. I mean, if we're traveling, a passport, your license, some really important stuff can go there. And really with those in there, you really don't know that there's a backpack, that there's a pocket there. And you've also got this right here, which will allow you to put it onto a suitcase. Then on the sides, you've got pouches that will fit a water bottle, or you can put your tripod gear in there. And then it also comes with this clip and lace that will allow you to clip on and be able to secure your like a larger tripod. If you want, you can hang something off of that. It's also got these really great strap holders that I can place in here that hold back these straps so that they're not dangling down. I really love that touch. Then when I put this thing on, of course it's got the across the chest strap as well. That way it fits me. And then like I said, look at that. These don't dangle down. I really love the clean look when you do that. Nothing dangling. Very cool. Over the last 2 years, I've kind of become a backpack aficionado, and I've gotta say, This backpack really suits my needs for those quick photo shoots, very compact, very light, and I highly recommend it if you're looking for something like this. The backpack goes for $245, but its current early bird price is $199. If it's full price, type in the promo code JustinTech for 15% off and free shipping on your order. I do have some other backpack videos you should check out. They're not camera backpacks, but they're great for your tech. I'll put those right here. And as always, you should subscribe, click that bell for alerts. That way you know when my videos drop. If you enjoyed it though, you should give it a like. That'd be cute. All right, I'm Justin, and I'll talk to you later.